Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to remove photos you're tagged in on Facebook. So first all you need to do is open your Facebook app as you can see here on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and then you will go right here on your page where you can tap the see your profile at the top left corner. And from here, tap on the three dots beside that edit profile button, and you will go right here on profile settings, then tap on activity log. And from here, you will find all your activity log on your Facebook. So as you can see here, the blue rectangular tab right here, which highlighted in blue. So tap that public tags and you'll find actually here all the activity that you're tagged in. So as you can see right here, all of the photo that you are tagged in. Now to remove this one, tap on the three dots beside that photo. So let's tap on that three dots and you'll find a message here. So you just tap on remove tag, then it will remove on your activity log. Now if you want to choose of this, you just want to check this box right here and then you'll find remove tags at the bottom. So you just tap that remove tags, or you want to delete all this one, so tap that all, or check that all right there, and all of this stuff right here will be removed from your activity log that you're tagged in. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.